In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can do a text wiggle effect inside Premiere Pro. Now, before we dive into today's tutorial, I did want to mention that I am giving away a free video editing t-shirt. Feel free to enter to win. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below. Maybe tell me why you want to make a text wiggle effect inside Premiere Pro. Feel free to enter to win. And even if you're watching this in the future, this is a monthly giveaway, so you can enter into the next month's giveaway. But for now, let's dive in and see how to create this effect. So I'm inside Adobe Premiere Pro, and the first thing I want to do is change my workspace from editing to captions and graphics. This will display the graphics options here so we can create our text. So next, navigate to your type tool and then click out inside your program monitor. Type out the text that you want to add. In this case, I'm just going to type out wiggle. Then I'm going to grab my selection tool. Now you can adjust the size of this, choose the font and all the different settings that you wish. Once you got your text set here, you can navigate to your effects panel. If you don't see this, you can go up to window effects and then type and search for turbulent displays. You can then double click on this effect to add it to your text layer. Then up inside effects controls, we can play with the options here. For the amount, we can change it to maybe 15 and same with the size. Now there's two different ways that you can add a wiggle effect to a text graphic. Now the first one I'm going to show you is more of a stop motion type of style, and the other way is kind of a more fluid movement. So for the stop motion type of wiggle effect, what you can do is go under evolution options and then go down to random seed. Make sure your playhead's at the beginning of your timeline or the beginning of your text layer, and then click on the stopwatch and then go out forward in time. You can change this value up. So I'm going to change it to maybe 20. And then if we click and play this back, you can see what we kind of have. If we zoom in here, you can see that our text wiggles, but it's more staggered as if it's a stop motion animation. Now the other way you can do this, I'm going to undo this for now, is by keyframing the evolution. So we can once again go to the beginning of our timeline, click the stopwatch next to evolution, and then go out forward in our timeline. We can bring this up quite a bit, and then if we click and play this back, you can kind of see what we have. We're wiggling the animation or the text slightly, but it's very fluid. Now what you can do is, say if we go to this last keyframe, you can change this value up quite a bit to make it go faster or slower. You can see it wiggles faster. You can do the same with the random seed value as well. You can, instead of making it 20, you can make it 50, or if you want it to go slower, you can make it 10 or 5, and that's how you can make it faster or slower. But that's how you can make a text wiggle animation inside Premiere Pro. Now, if you want to learn more about Premiere Pro, there's several tutorials on my channel. I will link one that you might like right up there. Feel free to go check that one out. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.